Hello everyone, you are welcome to my channel. My name is Andrew Akpose. In this video I want to show you how to unzip a file. Most PSD files, when you download them from the internet, they are going to be downloaded as a zip file, so you have to unzip them before you can edit them. Now this is one of the mockup files I want to download and show you how to unzip as you would any other PSD document, a PSD file or any other format file that are zipped. So I'll click on download Photoshop PSD. My file is downloading already. Let me wait for it to download. Let me check the status. Let me check my downloads. Alright, it's still downloading. Now once your file is finished downloading, you are going to see it as a zip file. So I'll go to files. This is the app I want to use to unzip our file. It's called Files. It comes along with some phones. If you don't have it on your phone, you can download this Files app from the Play Store, So let me click on the Files app. When you open the Files app, go to Browse, click on Browse. Under Browse, go to Downloads. That is where you will see all the files you have downloaded. So this is what we have downloaded: paperback, small, whatever. Is the mockup file we just downloaded. Now as you can see, the icon is showing that the file is zipped, so I want to unzip the file. So let me click on the file. I've clicked on it and this is what is showing. It's going to bring out option of cancel and extract. Click on extract. In few seconds your file will be extracted. So what we want to do now, I want to delete the zip file. I don't need them anymore. It's the files that I've extracted that I need. So once I've done that, it's going to delete automatically the file of the zip file. Then the document that I want to use that is inside is what will be stored in my phone. So I'll click on done. When you click on done, this is what you get. You have the image. This is the image. So this is not what we are going to be editing. It's just the image of what is contained in that PSD file. So this is the PSD file. This is the icon. This is the PSD file. It's not going to show on your Android phone. It's not going to reflect because it's a PSD document. It's a PSD image file, so it can't show. You can only use Photoshop software on your laptop to open and edit it, or you use Photopea app, which I'm going to show you later how to use Photopea to edit your document. So that is how to unzip a file, any file, either font file or mockup file or whatsoever. That is just the simple way of editing, of unzipping a file on your Android phone.